Hey, good evening. Here we go again. Time to pick out our August. I'm not sure which box this is. Is this the Boxycharm by Ipsy box or the Icon box? Not sure which box this is, but let's find out. Oh, it's going to be the Boxycharm by Ipsy box. Okay, time to choose my products. So I can pick, in the Boxycharm by Ipsy box, there's 5 full-size items, and if you want, you can get an additional item, which they call the Beauty Boost, and that will be worth at least £40. $40, I should say. You can tell I'm based in the UK. All right, let's have a look. So they're suggesting that the Beauty Boost this month is going to be the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I might keep that, might keep that. And then they've picked out the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams Eyeshadow Palette for me. So that's my, what do they call it? Power Pick. And the other Power Pick is the Selfless by Hiram Niacinamide and Maracuja Daily Barrier Support Moisturiser. Don't know if I want that or not. I've got enough moisturisers going at the moment, but we will see. And I think with Hiram, he used to be in, was it Sephora or Ulta? But they've removed him from there. So obviously Ipsy have bought up all his stock, all his overstock. Anyway, let me not make assumptions. Let's go and pick my next 3 items. See what we've got. Okay, product 1. I can have the Beauty For Real Perfect Precision Complexion Brushes. Okay. Pat McGrath Labs Liquid Lust Legendary Wear. I've got that already because I've got that in an add-on. Then we've got Il Maquillage Lip Surface Lip Gloss in PDA. Then we've got Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Blush in Soft Rose. $1 Billion Forever Lash Mascara. I won't be getting that, that's a definite. And I won't be getting the Sophia Mabel Set and Prep Setting Spray. Okay, so it's going to be between the Beauty For Real Perfect Precision Complexion Brushes, the Il Maquillage Lip Surface Lip Gloss, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Rose. Okay, let's have a look at the brushes. Okay, so these are worth $42. We have got a powder brush and a complexion brush. They look quite nice, actually. They look decent. Full size, upgrade your makeup game with these complexion brushes that are here to help you get that flawless base of your dreams. They look nice. They actually do look quite decent, and I love a brush. And my foundation brushes, I must admit, I've used them to death, so I might do that. Not going to get the Pat McGrath. Let's have a look at the Il Maquillage Lip Service. That colour looks like it could be okay. It's $27, lip gloss. I'm going to double check on the colour though, because Ipsy have got a habit of not giving us a true colour. So Il Maquillage Lip Gloss PDA. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so here's the Il Maquillage site, the PDA. This is the colour we got here, and it's £24. The colour looks all right. Oh, that looks quite pale on her lips. Oh, that looks very pale. No, that's not a colour for me after all. I thought it was all right, but just showing it on her colour. No, that's not a colour for me. Oh, that's a shame. I was actually thinking it would be all right. Okay, no, that's not a colour for me. So let's scroll back. All right, so I won't be picking that colour. It's too pale for me. Right, so Anastasia Beverly Hills. Don't really want a blush, cream blush. Looks like I'm picking the brushes. Right, first product, brushes. Okay. Second product, choose your second product. Michelin Peach Flora No. 1 Body Souffle. Liss Beauty No. 1 Limits Cream Bronzer Stick. I've got a Liss Beauty bronzer stick already, and one I've got is perfect. It's in the shade Strength. It's perfect. Seattle London Fierce Flicks Liquid Liner. We've had this before. These are old products. Dallas and James Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream. What's that supposed to be? We've got an Eau perfume travel spray. I'm not sure if I can get away with bringing perfumes over to the UK. Clean luxury perfume oil in rose Bolgon. Gosh, oh, this is not great. So the bronzer's out and the eyeliner's out. Those two are out because I've had those before. Not so sure about the Michelin Peach body souffle. I do like body lotions, but Michelin Peach's fragrances aren't the best. So I'm going to risk the perfume. So let's have a look. Ellis Brooklyn Salt Eau de Parfum. How much is this worth? $32. Captures the very essence of a donkey's skin. What are the base notes? You've got ylang ylang, Tahitian something, TRA, and a touch of ambergris. Sensual and soul healing. Oh boy, here we go again. And what's this one? Gloss Moderne. Oh, this one's got money. It's got a price on it. What are the fragrances here? So we have got, oh, it's got rose. Bulgarian rose. But it's worth $87 though. It's a perfume oil in rose Boxycharm. Should I try it? It's worth $87. Let me go for that. Let's try it. If I can't bring it over, then I can't bring it over. All right. Third product. St. Jane Beauty Luxury Skin Ritual Smoothing SPF 30. I've got enough SPF, so I'm all right there. Seattle London Trend Palette in olive. I don't need that. I've got a couple of green good palettes now, and I've got recently the Natasha Denona Retro Glam, so I don't need that. Another cream bronzer. Don't need that. Touch of Soul No Problem Primer. That's not bad, that primer. I've had it before. Dew of the Gods, Cucumber and Collagen Vitamin. What is that? What is it? Oh, it's a body scrub. Nope, don't like body scrubs. I've got a thing about body scrubs on my skin. Don't like it. Estate Cosmetics Most Wanted Lip Balm. Bloody hell, this is a shit selection again. Right, looks like I'm going to be getting the No Problem Primer. God, it's only worth $18. It's the cheapest product. I don't like getting cheap products. I want to get my value. And I can get that quite easily here in Boots. Oh, bloody hell, man. Why do they do this to me? Let's have a look at the Seattle London one. I mean, the colours aren't shouting out to me. $24. I'm supposed to be getting rid of eyeshadow palettes, not getting more. Oh, blimey. And I really don't need another SPF. Sunscreen, mineral, and it doesn't leave a white cast. I'm going to get the sunscreen. Well, that's like a shitload of selections there, isn't it? Let's have a look at the choices for the Beauty Boost. So the Beauty Boost, if I get rid of that, we can get the Elemis. You can get the Revitalize Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. We've got the brushes there. Kate Somerville, Squalene, and another serum. Dr. Brandt, Purify Flat Iron. Shit, I'll stick with my Elemis. This is really crap. So they've got me swearing. So my choices, we've got a brush, we've got a perfume, we've got a SPF and a Beauty Boost. I really am not impressed with my choices this month at all. But I have got the eyeshadow palette. All right, that's my lot. Let's make sure I don't want to choose anything else. Should I go for the eyeshadow palette by Seattle London, or should I do the SPF? I'm going to stick with the SPF because I've got plenty of eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, all right. That's it. That's my choices. I'm not impressed yet again. Crap. All right, guys, let me know what you think of my choices. Take care. Bye.